Hi there. I made this video in the late days of September because I wanted to practice using ink before Inktober. I specifically wanted to draw some faces using ink. I decided to draw the first face without outlines and I immediately regret it. Without outlines, I messed up the proportions of the face, so I didn't like it at all. Then I used outlines to draw the same face again, using the same reference, which is a drawing I made within a challenge. It was the 100 heads challenge. I didn't post the video about that challenge yet, but I'll try to post it soon. Anyway, the head with the outlines turned out better than the first one. This is actually the first time I use black ink when sketching faces. I actually wanted to practice drawing with ink to get to know it in a better way because I intend to take part of the Inktober challenge and I want to use this black ink along with some fine liners. You know, using fine liners is a lot easier, but sometimes I want to challenge myself and get out of the comfort zone. That's exactly why I decided to draw the first face without using outlines. I told myself, just do it. Don't be scared. I mean, how bad could it be? And yep, the answer came right away. And at this point, I remember seeing a video on YouTube. Yeah, it got messy, not only on the paper. Anyway, I saw a video on YouTube. I didn't really watch the video, but I remember the title was about making bed art. It kind of encourages artists to make a bed art. And I think I understand why now. Making a bed piece could actually give you a motivation. It's like thinking, what? Is this all I can do? No, I could do better. Yeah, it doesn't happen all the time because sometimes when I make a bad piece, I just feel like, okay, this is not the right time. Just put it aside for a while. Let us try another time. But right here, when working with ink, I didn't like the first attempt, so I made a second one. The second face was so small, I didn't really enjoy making it. So I made a third face. I draw the third face using another reference from the same challenge, the 100 hats challenge. Working with dip pen is kind of hard. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this dip pen in Inktober. Maybe I'll just use the brush to spread the ink, then just draw the outlines with fine liners. I just love that black ink doesn't get messy after it dries. So even if I played with watercolors, the first lines of ink will still be solid. This dip pen and the ink, this black ink, were actually a gift from my niece as an encouragement to do more art. I need to say I loved this part of spreading the black ink with the brush and waiting for it to give me the right color as it dries. I really enjoyed making the third face, and I took my time with it, and whatever came to my mind, I just put it on it. I put some shading on the face, and then I thought, why not give her some prints? I gave her some tiger-like print, or more of a leopard like print, to add more details. I really liked what I got, and I hope you like it too. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on the next video.